Number one, you're going to solve and determine how many solutions the system of linear equation has. Number one, here we see two lines. The first one is y equals to x plus 2, and the other one is x plus y equals to 2. We see that there is one intersection here, and it is at the point 0, comma 2. So here, therefore, we can say that this system has one solution, and the reason why it has one solution is because it has one intersection. Okay, the solution is an ordered pair of 0, negative 0, 2. Right? So the intersection is the amount of solutions. Here I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna make everything in black, and then you're gonna see how everything else works. This is one solution and one intersection. Okay. All right. Okay. The next one, B. Here we see that this one has no intersection, so we can get to a conclusion here. This system has no solutions because it has no intersection. Okay. So no intersection means no solution. Okay. Make that in red so you can see. And then the last one here, y equals to x plus 2 and negative 2x plus 2y equals to 4. It has, this system has an infinite number of intersections because the lines are right on top of each other. Therefore, this system has infinitely number of solutions. Okay, the fact that it has an infinitely number of intersections, it has an infinitely number of solutions. All right, and there you go. All right, so that is how you determine how many solutions a system has.